Hello everybody, Flexpipe 101 video series with your host Esteban. For today, very simple. Again, we have improved the Flexpipe Creator extension. Along with that comes all of the new updates and all of the latest information in the parts library. So if we look here and we open up the open library icon, we're going to see all of the different categories, and all of that information has been updated. In the future, when we add a new part or when we add new information pertaining to an already existing part, then basically what's going to happen is that when you open up your SketchUp, you are going to receive a notice that lets you know to go ahead and update the parts library. So whenever you see this pop-up appear, which is going to be over here on the right-hand side, so wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, and any second now. There we go. So that's it right there. We're going to go ahead and click update, and that is it. Simple as that, guys. So right now it's all done internally. There's nothing else we need to do other than to hit OK once the notice appears, and that is it. So updated library. If we ever do update or introduce new parts, that's how it's done. Other than that, guys, well, here we go. Updated library parts, downloaded and installed. So we're going to hit OK, and that, my friends, is how you update your library. Couldn't be any easier. Take care. See you again. Join our Flexpipe YouTube channel if you like what you see, comment, and all of the above. So take care, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.